Flip it over. Now one end here, lift it up, take off all the flour and then boom down. The pizza's ready! Woo! Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro Vittorio Copelli and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming, dedicating your time to watch my videos. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. It's totally free, and then if you're a pizza lover, this is the right channel for you. Take a look at this dough. Take a look at this dough. I just made last week a video how to make the perfect pizza at home. Unbelievable. In 2 hours ready. You don't believe it? Check out. The link is gonna be somewhere here. Don't worry about. You get there if you subscribe. You see my 400 videos. Today is a special video because it's a video review. Yes, a video review about this oven. Because this oven is probably the first oven that I try inside the house. It is an electric oven, but it's particular because this oven gets hot. It says right here 500 Celsius, so it's about 900 Fahrenheit. Crazy heat. It's perfect for Neapolitan pizza. Two different temperatures separate the bottom and the top, and also this oven comes with a biscotto. So you have to add that as an option because it comes with a little thin pizza stone. But this comes with the oven too. It's basically a biscotto. It's a thick pizza stone which helps to keep the temperature really hot, and then will cook the pizza much better. That we are going to see in a little bit. The company of this oven are in Europe. They are in Poland, they are in UK, and they are in Germany. So you can check out if you wanna get one of this beast inside the house. I mean, remember that it's inside the house. If you're not getting the level up, this is very popular in Italy here right now. So that's why I decided to make a review about this oven with the pizza napolitana. You can check out pizzaunited.co.uk. Make sure to check it out, and also this video is sponsored by them. So I say thank you so much for you guys to sponsor this video. Okay guys, so I see the instruction how to set up the oven for Neapolitan pizza. So I'm following the instruction. So it says the bottom to set it up at 430 Celsius and the top 470 Celsius. So that's perfect for Neapolitan pizza, and we have to wait basically 40 minutes to 1 hour to warm up the stone. The oven is been like this for basically 40 minutes. So I'm ready to go ahead and make the pizza for you guys. Take a look of the dough. So I'm gonna get this one nice and soft. Let's get some semolina on top. Let's cut it. Guys, I make everything with love. Cut everything. There we go. And now grab a little bit of flour on the bottom. Boom, voila, boom. Take it out. On top, upside down on the flour. Voila. Take a look how soft it is. Wow. So now let's put the bottom part on the bottom. Little bit of flour. So press only. Just press. Press. Take a look. This is all air. Oh my god. Tan 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 tan. Now flip it over again and then press the other side. Once you press everything, then flip it over. now one hand here, lift it up, take off all the flour and then pull down. So now press, control with your right hand and pull with your left. Press and control and pull. Once you have 10 inches, that's what you're gonna do. On top, a little bit larger, and then down. Boom! Down, don't touch it anymore. So let's go ahead, let's make this pizza classic margherita pizza. Nice. Some fresh tomato sauce from San Marzano. Let's go ahead. Done. Wow. Fresh mozzarella. Voila, 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 voila. And now, little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Voila. Now we are ready to go in the oven. I can't wait. Let's get the peel. Woohoo! Oh. And this is honestly, gonna be my honest opinion. I will give a vote at the end of this video, and I'm gonna record this live. This way you can see the timing that is cooking. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the oven. Boom. Voila. Now I'm not gonna edit the time. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna block the time just for you. And then guys, if you wanna see more with this oven, please comment below. I was watching right there. Please comment below, and then I will going to make more. So let's wait, let's see. Unbelievable how it's cooking. Vieni vicino, fai vedere agli amici. Wow. Dalla lucetta. Oh my god, he's pumping. Poi ricordo di questa squadra giusta. Guys, it's about to be ready. Let me put Rayo just for you. Maybe I have to turn it, I don't know. Let me check. Maybe I have to turn it. Let me put it in. I never see something like this, honestly. It's outstanding. Vai di là, go right there. Let's go. The pizza is ready, guys. The pizza is ready. Woo! Done, take a look. Oh, this is the perfection. Padre, vieni qua. Cioè, guarda che pizza. Cioè, honest.
Oh my god!
Soft.
Mamma mia, Vito, la vedo bellissima.
Cioè.
Mamma mia, va.
Soft and crunchy at the same time. Take a look. Take a look at the bottom. It's perfect. This is perfection. Lo so, I know, scusa.
Questo me lo conservo per andare a mare, il canotto.
Come si vede sotto? Take the bottom. Take a look at the bottom. It's perfect.
Davvero bellissimo,
Wow. Let me put something, la ciliegina sulla torta. Padre, vieni qua, dove vai? Padre? Vieni qua, taste with me. Guys, and this is the review.
Mamma mia.
Cioè, let's take a picture, fammi una foto, vai.
Io non avevo fame, però abbiamo avuto proprio desiderio di mangiare un pezzo di pizza. Taglia.
Aspi. Dobbiamo tagliare? Tagliamo. Aspetta, non stoppare niente qua. Dove is the Caesar? Caesar, no, le forbici.
No.
Dobbiamo far vedere dentro, all'interno.
Sì, si taglia lo stesso.
Vieni qua, vieni, che no. Vieni qua, vieni. Take a look. How this pizza. And now, let's go ahead, let's cut the crust. let's cut the crust.
Mamma mia.
Cioè, padre, honest.
Onesto, è vero.
Take a look. Soft and crunchy in the same time.
Aspetta, metti qua. Questa la voglio io qua sopra.
Vai,
così.
prendila tu. Aspetta che prendo un pezzo anch'io. Boom, 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 boom. Amazing, guys. Take a look. Amazing.
Tante.
Cioè, guarda da sotto come è venuto. Take a look at the bottom.
Mamma mia. C'è tutto di caffè. Un pezzettino. Buonissimo.
Beh, was less than a minute and a half. Cioè, ha cotto velocissimo. Cotto velocissimo.
Mamma mia. Buonissimo.
Outstanding, guys. I decided at this moment to make some amazing focaccia. I have to see how this oven cooks also the focaccia. It cannot escape without the focaccia. So let's go ahead. Let's put the oven. Let's put the focaccia inside. Voila. Of course, I set up this oven at my own experience. So I set it up the top at 100 Celsius and the bottom I set it up at 240 Celsius. So I'm gonna keep it there a look about 15 minutes and see what it comes out. Guys, the focaccia, nice, smoky, it's ready. It's ready. Oh my god, wow, it cooks so fast. Unbelievable, it took like 15 minutes. Let's take it out. Oh, 1 second, I don't want to get burned. I don't want to get burned. Open it up. There we go. Ah, wow. Wow, let's see the bottom part. Woo, nice, cooked, nice and crispy. Take a look at the pizza. I didn't show you the pizza. Outstanding. Now, this is the moment. Take a look at the crunchy. Wow. Let's let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna cut it and show it to you. Now we know that also this oven can cook also my focaccias. So it's time for you to leave a nice thumbs up. Nice, soft, so fluffy. Wow. Wow, crunchy, soft in the same time. Make sure to check out the links below for this oven. Every city is different the price, so I'm not able to say the right price. It's affordable oven for the inside the house. If you want to go in the level up for pizza, this is the oven.
Bravo Vito, questa è una bella soddisfazione per me.
Grazie padre.
Very good.
Thank
very
you so
good.
much. Leave a like and see you at the next one. Ciao.
Very good.